Have you ever wondered how you can make money from the comfort of your own home? Imagine trading the daily commute for a short walk to your home office. Intriguing, right? Stay tuned as we delve into 15 easy steps to earn money from home. First, identify your marketable skills. We all have unique talents that can be leveraged for success. Perhaps you're a great writer, or maybe you're a whiz with technology. Understanding your skills is crucial to finding the right work from home opportunities. Once you know your strengths, you're ready for the next step. Next, research online job platforms. From graphic design on Behance to freelance writing on Upwork, each platform caters to unique skills. Some are tailored for coders, others for artists. Explore and find your fit. Remember, the right platform can make all the difference. Now, set up a productive workspace at home. A dedicated, organized workspace is the cornerstone of successful home-based work. It fosters focus, minimizes distractions, and sets the tone for your workday. Remember, a quiet, comfortable space can boost productivity. Fourth step, create a work schedule. This is no minor detail. Having a regular routine is like having a roadmap to productivity. It keeps you focused, prevents burnout, and ensures you make time for life outside work. A routine is key to maintaining a work-life balance. Step 5, don't forget to network. In the digital world, relationships are key. Connect with like-minded individuals, engage in relevant discussions, and share your expertise. Establishing a strong professional network can lead to collaborations, referrals, and even job offers. Networking can open doors to opportunities. Sixth step, build an online presence. In the digital age, having a professional online presence is crucial. This can include a sleek portfolio or a well-designed website showcasing your skills and previous work. A strong online presence can attract potential clients. Step 7. Never stop learning. The world changes rapidly, and to stay competitive, you need to change with it. Continuously learn and upgrade your skills. This isn't a mere suggestion, it's essential. Always remember, learning is an investment in your career. Eighth step, diversify your income. Imagine your income as a river, branching into multiple streams. These could be different projects, selling products, or even investments. They flow together, creating a resilient financial ecosystem. Having multiple income sources can provide financial stability. Step 9, know your worth. It's crucial to set your rates and prices accurately. Consider your skills, time, and the market demand while deciding. Never undervalue your work. Remember, quality has its price, and your expertise is no exception. Knowing your worth ensures you get paid fairly. 10th step, manage your finances effectively. Keep a steady hand on the helm of your income and expenses. Remember to salt away a portion for taxes. It's not just about making money, but also smartly managing it. Good financial management is crucial when you're self-employed. 11th step, market your services or products. Marketing is the engine that drives visibility. It's about telling your story, sharing your skills, and connecting with people who need what you offer. Remember, no one can buy what they don't know exists. Effective marketing can increase your visibility and income. 12th step, provide excellent customer service. Remember, your clients are the lifeblood of your business. Prioritize their needs, respond quickly to their queries, and always aim to exceed their expectations. Good customer service can lead to repeat business. 13th step, stay motivated. Remember, the journey to success is not always a straight line. There will be hurdles, there will be setbacks, but don't let them deter you. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Staying motivated can help you achieve your goals. 14th step, take care of your health. Working from home doesn't mean ignoring your well-being. Schedule regular exercise, eat balanced meals, and don't forget to take mental breaks. Remember, a healthy body fuels a productive mind. Health is wealth, so don't neglect it. 15th step, review and adjust your strategies. It's crucial to periodically assess your progress. Are your income sources flourishing? If not, it's time to tweak your approach. Remember, nothing is set in stone. Continuous improvement is key to success. So, are you ready to start making money from home? In a nutshell, identify your skills, research opportunities, set up a home office, create a routine, network, and diversify your income. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on working from home. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.